I'm going to show you how to use 5 different GoPro mounts so you can film super steady action footage while you're biking, hiking, running or skiing. The beauty of the GoPro Hero 9 action camera is its small form, ruggedness, and ability to mount almost anywhere. You can take it with you anywhere because it fits right in your pocket, and you can edit the footage with the GoPro Quick app on your phone. I attach the magnetic swivel clip to my backpack strap to shoot footage while I'm biking. It films great footage of the scenery that's right in front of you while you got your hands on the handlebars. I sometimes attach it to my handlebars so I get a different view of what's in front of me instead of clipping it to my backpack strap. It also has a built-in magnet so you can stick it to metal objects such as poles, appliances, gym equipment, etc. You can also clip it to a tree branch to shoot steady video footage. The 360 swivel allows you to turn the camera around to get the perfect shot. When I skied this past winter, I attached the clip to a ski pole and got some great shots skiing down the mountain. I also tried attaching a clip to my ski boot so I got some great shots closer to the snow. The clip also makes a great kickstand for selfies, group photos, and time-lapse creations. It's a great replacement for a small tripod if you don't have one handy. Alternatively, if you have a tripod like this SwitchPod, you can get an attachment like this and screw it to the top of the SwitchPod, like so. Then you take your GoPro camera and attach it to that attachment. Take the screw and then put it through the hole like so, screw it in, like that. And now you have the GoPro attached to the SwitchPod. When the GoPro is attached to a head strap, it gives you a bird's eye view of the road ahead of you. I often strap it to my head and then place my cap on top of my head. You also have the ability to capture scenery on the left and the right just by turning your head. So if you want to quickly capture that stream or river that you're passing by on your left or your right, you can simply turn your head and shoot the footage while you're biking. The head strap fits all different head sizes, so you can strap it directly to your head or even extend it and strap it to your helmet. The chest mount or chesty allows you to capture hands-free shots from your chest. The beauty of the chesty is that you can adjust it to fit all different body types and even place it over heavy winter jackets. You simply strap it over your chest, clip it in place like so, and then attach your GoPro. You can also change the angles like front and back, and you can also swivel it like so. I use it a lot when I shoot GoPro footage from my bike and I don't want to wear a sweaty head strap. Here's some video footage filmed from my bike while I was using the chesty. The handler is great for vlogging. You can just hold that out in front of you and tip the camera forward towards you at an angle. You've also got the wrist strap so you won't lose it. I use it a lot because it has a comfortable non-slip handle for a secure grip. If you want to, you can even hold the grip in your mouth if you want to free your hands, like so. For example, you might want to use both hands to paddle out to catch a wave when you're surfing. If you drop it in the water, then the orange top stays up on top of the water so it's easy to see. Here's some footage I filmed while I was swimming with my waterproof GoPro. You also have a quick release base so it's easy to switch between mounts. If you want to take your GoPro to new heights, get a 3-foot extension pole that brings you closer to the action. I often use it when I'm running or hiking so you get a larger view of the scenery that surrounds me. If I fully extend the pole, I can get shots of the tree line as if I was using a drone for filming. I also use it for filming myself while skiing, so I get more of myself in the shot. I highly recommend getting the SmartTree telescopic selfie stick with tripod stand. It allows you to make quick length adjustments from 11 inches to 36 inches, so you can extend the pole and use the tripod to take selfies while you're out and about. It's not only compatible for the GoPro action camera, but also for the DJI Osmo action camera, compact cameras, and cell phones. It enables you to get a 360 view of what's going on around you. I'll place a link to it in the description below this video. The beauty of using these mounts with your GoPro is that you can shoot video footage anywhere, anytime, in any conditions. If you want to learn how to shoot cinematic video footage using your GoPro Hero 9 action camera, watch the video on the screen right now. You'll discover 5 ways to shoot cinematic video footage with your GoPro camera.